Almighty, loving, and merciful Father, Creator of everything and source of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, we adore you for your infinite wisdom and power. We praise you for you are the only one who can direct our lives. We thank you for all the gifts you have bestowed on us, your children. Without you, we are nothing. You are the ultimate teacher. You teach and instruct us in the way of life and guide us into your will. May we teach others with the wisdom and love that we receive from you. Remind us that our teaching is an act of worship to you. Amen.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladina an'amta alaihim ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Rabbana dalamna wa ilaika tawakkalna wa ilaika anabna wa ilaikal masir. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzabannar. Rabbana waj'alna muslimaini laka wa min dzurriyyatina ummatan muslimatan lak wa arina manasikana wa tub alaina innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Rabbana dalamna anfusana wa ilam taghfir lana wa tarhamna lanakunanna minal khasirin. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim wa tub alaina innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Birahmatika ya arhamur rahimin walhamdulillah.
Into temptation, but deliver us from